a wide-angle view of a traditional kitchen with a warm, inviting atmosphere. The wooden dining table is adorned with a vase of fresh flowers. The brick fireplace on the far wall houses a small stack of firewood, and copper pots gleam under the sunlight. The checkered curtains gently sway near an open window, through which golden rays of sunlight pour in, illuminating the rich textures of the wooden floor and cabinetry. What sets traditional kitchens apart from their modern counterparts? The answer lies in their timeless appeal. Unlike the minimalist designs that dominate contemporary homes, traditional kitchens embrace warmth, depth, and character. Picture a space where rich wood tones, detailed craftsmanship, and a welcoming ambience create a haven for culinary adventures and heartfelt conversations. Host speaking. These kitchens tell a story of comfort, heritage, and enduring beauty. They're not just functional spaces, they're the heart of the home. Let's dive into the details that define a traditional kitchen. First, there's the cabinetry, crafted from rich woods like oak, cherry, or walnut, with raised panel doors and detailed carvings. These cabinets are not just storage units, they're works of art. Next, we have the countertops. Materials like marble, granite, or even butcher block bring a touch of luxury and durability to the workspace. And let's not forget the sinks. Classic farmhouse styles with apron fronts are a staple of traditional kitchens, offering both functionality and charm. Finally, backsplashes. Whether it's subway tiles, mosaics, or intricate patterns, the backsplash serves as a focal point, tying together the kitchen's design elements. Traditional kitchens aren't just about looks, they're built for real life. Imagine baking cookies with your kids on a sturdy, spacious island that doubles as a prep area and storage solution. These kitchens are designed with practicality in mind, offering features like pull-out drawers, corner storage solutions, and open shelving for easy access. But practicality doesn't mean sacrificing beauty. Every functional element is thoughtfully integrated to enhance the kitchen's overall aesthetic. From the gleaming copper pots on display to the neatly arranged spice jars, these kitchens are as organized as they are elegant. Color plays a vital role in setting the mood of a traditional kitchen. Warm neutrals like beige, cream, and soft browns create a cozy atmosphere. For those looking to add a pop of sophistication, deep greens and navy blues are excellent choices. Pair these colors with natural materials for a harmonious look. Think polished wood, textured stone, and gleaming metals. These elements not only enhance the visual appeal, but also add a tactile dimension to the kitchen. The key is balance. Combine bold accents with softer tones to create a space that feels both inviting and refined. No kitchen is complete without the right lighting. In traditional kitchens, lighting does more than illuminate. It sets the mood. Chandeliers with vintage details or pendant lights with warm tones add a touch of sophistication. Accessories also play a crucial role. From brass or bronze cabinet handles to antique clocks and ceramic jars, every detail contributes to the kitchen's character. These finishing touches bring the space to life, making it uniquely yours. Think of lighting and accessories as the jewelry of your kitchen's small but impactful elements that complete the look. And that's a wrap on traditional kitchen design. A perfect blend of timeless elegance and everyday practicality. Whether you're planning a renovation or simply dreaming, we hope this video has sparked some inspiration. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design tips and ideas. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.